Hi guys, Will here at Oakwoods Group. I'm here with Nige on work experience, and this is my first time trying this, so please bear with me. Today we're looking at a beautiful Abarth 595 in record grey, 1.4 litre engine brought to us in part exchange from a very kind lady. Beautiful looking car, lovely decal on the side here. Beautiful looking logos. But do remember guys, this is a used car, so there will be the odd blemish. So we can see one here along the front, nothing major. This car's got a smidge over 25,000 miles. Sports exhaust, beautiful sounding. Alloy wheels, beautiful. Give you guys a listen to that engine. Beautiful sounding car. You can see the interface here. You can connect your phone, listen to music. You've also got USB and aux cable here, 2 cup holders. Really guys, this is a beautiful car. Personally, I haven't been able to drive it, but sitting in the passenger seat, great fun, great sounding car, great fun to be in. Over here we've got MOT tests and service history. With the owner handbook along the floor, with the USB cable it comes with. Beautiful looking car. You can hear that engine. Beautiful sounding. Really a lovely car though. Great fun to be in. Thanks guys, this is Will from Oakwoods Group. Sorry if this is a little confusing, this is my first time. I'm here on work experience again, so please do bear with me. Thank you very much.